Hello and welcome to this review sponsored by msclick.com. This review will help to clear your mind on some details about this new product called Snokor Z5000, which has just been launched into the Nigerian market. And as of the last Black Friday, which we experienced on November 27, the phone was on sale for a fee of 13,500 on some online platforms. And I must say it's one of the good decisions I've made in 2015 and wish to share this information with you to help make your decision on making a purchase of a smartphone as the year runs out. We will be trying to tell you some few details about the phone and if it can survive the tides of the Nigerian market in terms of connection, the durability, and ruggedness. Now, to get this down to what we've been talking about, we'll be using some applications like the CPU Z, the simple Android server, the auto proxy, and a few other information that will be very important as you use this mobile phone. Now, getting down to business, move down to CPU Z, and on our dashboard you can see the few technicalities about this phone, which is a quad-core processor device with a clock speed of 768 MHz to 1.30 GHz. The device is a Snokor Z5000, and you can see the rest information there. The system is a 5.1 Android version, and the system has been up for 2 days, 55 minutes, and counting. The root access has been granted to me, the user, using the King Root application, and that's for that. Going down to the next on our menu is to set the proxy server for our MTN address. Now you can see we are using MTN Nigeria. Just tweak the proxy to 127.0.20.1 and your proxy remains 8080. Now we move down to the simple Android server. Check this, it has to be on local server. The profile has to be profile. Then this has to be this. Then this has to be on head. The injection query, the host, then you click 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. The local server settings, listening port. This has to be checked only after you've gotten the root access authorization using your King Root app. The buffer size is this. The concurrent connections is this. The log level is the bug. Now you move down to your auto proxy. It has to be this. Then back to connect, and this is your virtual machine. Although it might act funny for a while, but don't be discouraged, because once it starts, your smiles will only tell the story to an onlooker. Now, this is one of the very few activities you can carry out on your mobile phone, but for your applications to work properly, you need this auto proxy to be configured well. That was why, as we introduced this review, we talked about some applications that will be very important while you use your mobile